Hi creatives! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Creative Light. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are welcomed. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to make a half circle maxi skirt with side pockets. If this is something you're interested in, keep on watching. The fabric I have here with me is crepe fabric and I have 4 yards of it, right? I didn't exhaust those 4 yards. To make a skirt, you need just two measurements, your waist circumference and the length of your skirt. So these are the calculations needed to make a half circle skirt. I will advise you to just pause this video at this point, have an understanding of the calculations needed. Arrow here is the radius of the circle, right? For the amount of fabric needed, you're going to double it, right? So I've gone ahead to fold mine into two. Then the next thing to do, that folded part, you're just going to make a triangle. Fold it into a triangular form, right? Then I flipped it over to the other side so that you can see it properly. This other selvage area, I don't need it, so I'm going to cut it out. From that beginning point, you mark the radius of the circle. Just going to mark it round. Then you connect the points. After that, the next measurement to take is the skirt length. I'm trying to adjust my fabric to get my skirt length. The camera couldn't capture the full length of the skirt because it's quite long. I'm so sorry, please. So from those points here, those radius of the circle, you're going to mark your skirt length. And I adjusted the fabric again so that I can get the full length on the table, right? So from that radius of the circle, you measure your skirt length round. You're just going to take the length of your skirt round. Still trying to adjust the fabric. It's a very long skirt, so that's why. After getting the radius of the length of the skirt rather, you're just going to connect the points. So this is what I did. After that, you're going to cut it. Cut that first line that you marked. After cutting, I had to pin it because this fabric was shifting, so I didn't want it to shift. I had to pin that point. Then you cut the skirt length. Like I said, I don't need that selvage part, so I had to cut it out. I took out my pins. After taking out the pins, I cut open that folded part. so that I can have the front and the back. The front is just going to be one piece, while the back is going to be two pieces because of the zip allowance at the back, right? So I took out the front. This is the front piece. For the back, I had to cut open the sides. The back is going to be two pieces. So from that waist point, you go down by 6 inches for the zip. Then from that 6 inches point, you're going to sew on 1 inch to the end. So I've gone ahead to sew it and also ironed it, right? So the next thing to do is to cut the pockets. For the pockets, I have 4 fabrics together. Then from that beginning point, I marked 1 inch. Then the opening of my pocket, I used 7 inches. Then I placed my hand on the fabric like this. Then made a curve, just connected it with the shape of my hand. After getting the shape of your hand, the next thing to do is to cut it out. When you want to cut, you add ½ inch sewing allowance to it. Then cut open the sides because the fabric was folded. So these are the 4 pockets. I placed my front and back skirt piece together. To get the pocket, from that beginning point, from the waist, you go down by 2.5 or 3 inches. For me, I used 3 inches. Then mark that 3 inches point. Then notch that point. That will be the beginning of the pocket, right? You do the same for the other side. Notch it. Then you take your pockets, right side facing each other. You place the right side of your pocket with the right side of your back. From that point I notched, I'm going to pin the pocket to it, to the back of the skirt, right? I did the same thing for the front, right side facing each other, the right side of the pocket and the right side of the front piece. Then I pinned it. I did same thing to this other side. If you have watched this video to this point and you find it interesting, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. By doing so, the algorithm will push this video for more people to see it and watch it. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. You are very welcome to this beautiful family, the creative family. After pinning, you stitch on 0.25 or ½ inch for the pocket, right? After stitching the 4 pockets together to the fabric, you just place the fabric this way. From the waist of the skirt, you stitch on 1 inch. Then for the pocket, you stitch ½ inch for the pocket. Then you take it down 1 inch. I hope you understand me. I've attached the pockets and also sewed the side. The next thing I did was to cut a band. The width of the band on fold is 2.5. Then the length of the band is your waist circumference plus 2 inches zip allowance, right? So you're just going to take it right side facing each other. That's, take it from the right side of your fabric and stitch it round the waist. Then you add the zip. I've gone ahead to add the waistband and also weave the inside of the fabric. Then I added my zip to the skirt. The next thing to do is to fold the hem of the skirt. You're just going to fold it. For you to get a neat fold, as you're folding, you stretch the fabric a bit. You're just going to stretch it. So I've hemmed the down of the skirt and also ironed it, right? So our skirt is ready. Can you see the pockets? Alright, that would be all for today's tutorial. So I just had to put on the skirt to show you how it is. I held it with pin at the back because the skirt is not mine, right? So see how it looks. Alright, if you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Ask any question, I'll gladly respond to your question. And please subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Share this video to your family and friends. So here I was trying to explain what I did in my previous video. I just picked that place and took it up. Can you see the drapes? So I'll put the link to the video in the description box if you have not seen it, so that you can go ahead and watch it. Thank you.